Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. Yeah, this is getting interesting now. Only on, I think it was Thursday or Friday, we talked about the gold chart, and I communicated to you that the wave count up there, I mean, it's technically just complete. Yeah, there is no need for this additional 4-5 pattern that I have shown here in white. However, this week I will watch for that additional high. Not because it has to happen. I mean, the risk is extremely high. Gold is, gold is pretty much an area where a substantial top could form. The recent support zones have held and they have led to an upside reversal. And the question is now, which interpretation is correct? In my main interpretation, I call it a diagonal pattern to the upside, and therefore the fifth wave up is an A, B, C structure. That C wave should be a 5-wave pattern, absolutely, and is done. The question is, do we get another 4-5 pattern if it's an impulse? And then support for this week is between $2,967 and $3,014. So two things I'm watching for now. I'm watching the structure of the decline very carefully. And I'm also watching if the price can hold support at $2,967. It is important to understand that if this is indeed an impulse to the upside, a 5-wave move, the market should hold above the 50% retracement. Any 50% retracement break or a break below that level would indicate that a more substantial top has formed. Whether that's then already this larger degree third wave will have to be seen. That would then be the thesis, because this move down would be quite substantial in the fourth wave. 2,700 in the larger degree fourth wave is the first support. Below that, we've got 2,500. So this would be an early warning, yeah? A break below 2,967 wouldn't be full confirmation that a major correction has started, but it would be the first warning. And, I think it's due, but it could get another high. So I'm keeping the door open for one more high. The structure, the pullback, needs to be a 3-wave move to keep the door open for higher. And yes, for now, that does look like a 3-wave move to the downside, in my opinion. It does look either like a WXY structure that's unfolding, so like a WXY, in which the Y wave is completed and we could start the 5th wave up from here already. That's not high confidence. The last rally to the upside does not really clearly look like 5 waves up here. So I would not rule out another low. Actually, I would expect another low at this point. The question is, okay, what is the wave count then? And that means, well, we could watch for a diagonal pattern maybe. So A, B, and then the C wave down is a diagonal pattern. That's possible. 2,988 is the next support, and in my view will likely be tested, especially as long as this last swing high is holding. That would be a first breakout point the price needs to overcome to basically confirm that, yeah, potentially that 4th wave has indeed bottomed. But yeah, I'm not convinced yet that a low is in. The move down, while it looks like 3 waves down, it does look somewhat incomplete. So takes for me a break above that that green line at 3,026 to indicate a low is in. Then support levels are, I think, clearly defined. And should we get another high? I mean, I can't really give you a target because it does depend on where really a low forms in this region. But overall, if we talk about FIB targets to the upside, normally I would track here just the 100% extension. And we can do that by, I have to zoom out a little bit actually, go to the daily time frame. So let's do it like that. So one way of calculating a target would be we take the length of the A wave, go to the low of the B wave, and we're looking for the 100% extension as an early target, first target. That's at 3,097. So in that area, 3,090 to 3,100, that would be the next upside target if we get one more high. that's the update about gold. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure that you follow us in our stocks membership. You'll find the link in the description. It gives you updates about the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, ES futures chart, and additional stock updates. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.